To start making our keychain, I'm going to thread both of my ends through my last loop here, which creates a little loop down at the other end. So I'm going to put my ends through my loop, and we're going to pull it nice and tight so that we get a small knot right at the end of our keychain. Okay, so I'm going to lay this down and we're going to get started on our penguin by following our pattern. So see how on our pattern we start with these 3 black beads, so that's how we're going to start. I am going to grab my string on my left side and I'm going to thread 3 black beads following the pattern. And bring them all the way to the top. Next, I'm going to grab my right hand string and bring that through the beads as well. See, there it comes. And I'm going to make sure to pull it tight so it goes up snug against our knot. And evenly too. Right, so it's kind of sitting flat. So just pull your strings and play with it so it lays kind of flat and horizontally across like this rather than vertical up and down as you saw mine started to do a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to go from the left again and I'm going to follow my pattern. So next my pattern says I need 1 black bead, 2 white beads, and 1 more black bead. Okay, I'm going to start to bring that up. And I'm going to grab the end of the other side on the right and bring that through as well. And same as with the first row, we're going to go ahead and pull it tight, even it out. Okay, that's our second row. Okay, same thing. I'm going to start with my left and I'm going to read the pattern again. So I'm going to do 1 black, 1 white, 1 orange, 1 white, and 1 black. Okay, I'm going to bring it up a little bit. I'm going to grab my right hand string and same as I've been doing, I'm going to put it through these other beads. Okay, so both strands are running through each and every row and I'm going to pull my strands. Make sure they're nice and even and centered, which gets easier to do as you go along, and pull it tight. So you can kind of see our penguin starting to form. So you're going to continue this all the way down to finish your penguin following the pattern. So the next row is going to be 2 black, 2 white, 2 black again. And you just keep going down, down, down. All right, here we go. Now I'm on my last row, so we've got 2 more orange beads for our little penguin feet down at the bottom, and 4 more black beads. And as you see, as we went down, it centered itself pretty much automatically for us because we created this great base at the top. To secure my end strands, I'm going to zoom this in a little bit. Okay. And we're going to use this strand that we have coming through that last row to create a knot. And I'm going to knot it one more time. And I'll do the same thing on the other side. So now that we're really, really close up, you can see I've got glue all over my fingers because I glued the edges of, yeah, there you go, you can see. I glued the edges of the string. I pre-glued them for you. It kind of helps with the fraying so that you can get the strings through the beads a little easier, but you may need to re-glue them again if you feel that it's not helping enough. Now we can grab our scissors. And now we have our penguin keychain. You can do the same thing again. You can put a little bit of white school glue, hot glue. Some people even just, you can have a grown-up help you with this, use a little flame to melt and seal the edges of some types of cord, but it'll help keep your penguin nice and secure. And now you have your penguin keychain. And this technique, you can do it with so many other kinds of patterns. You can just grab these beads. These are called pony beads. And you can get them at every single craft store and make a variety of different shapes, animals, faces, whatever you'd like. All right, everyone, that's it for this craft. We'll see you next time.